Okay, good day guys. 2016 Jeep Patriot. We have 2.4 liter right here. Crankshaft position sensor. The car was dying on the customer, so there is a pending code crankshaft position sensor. I got it from Urali, standard brand. That's gonna be the part number on it. And okay, what I did, I jack up the vehicle. I went underneath and took off the skid plate. But since this is all-wheel drive, there is no way that you can access from down there. So I drop it down, I took off the box. Be careful, don't disconnect the computer. You need to disconnect the battery, but don't disconnect the computer. So I put that box out of the way, lose that clamp. So right here, there is a shield. I'm not sure if you can see it. There is a shield right there, and this shield has got 3 screws, 2 of them number 10 and 1 of them number 13. When you take that all 3 out, it's kind of hard for me to show you the video, but it's kind of on the blind spot. So when you take that out, the shield is gonna go away. So then this is the crank sensor is out already. That's the old one. So the crank sensor goes all the way on the block, engine block, right next to the transmission. So the bolt goes like that under the angle. So you need to use a small 10mm with the extension and send it from between these 2 hoses down there like that, and then loosen it up. And the bolt is going to be, like I said, 10mm. When you take it off, don't disconnect it. Take it off like that, remove the lock, disconnect it, put the new one back in there and put it back together. So it's about, like, I would say, hour and a half job on the 2016 Jeep Patriot 2.4 all-wheel drive crankshaft position sensor replacement. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.